We're going to go through all 251s in 5 minutes. If you want to have a longer explanation about 251s, please visit this video here. We're going to cycle through them through the circle of fifths, which means we'll start in the key of C, then we'll go to the key of G, etc. We're going to focus on harmony in this exercise. You can match my harmony here. D minor 9, G13, and C major 9. D minor, starting off the third, just going to build thirds from that one. When we hit to the G, we're going to drop this finger down here to get what's called a G13. And the other three fingers are going to move down. And you'll actually end up with the same shape as we started with. So just remember, when you're transposing to other keys, you start the shape on the minor third of the 2 chord. If you find it's too challenging, just stop and start the videos while you're learning your shapes, or take back the playback speed. If you're finding it really easy, challenge yourself by varying up the rhythm, or changing the inversions even. Alright, let's cycle through the 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, well done for following along with that one. I'm planning to release a new one of these every Friday night as I build up a bank of practice exercises that you can refer back to. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.